Hello there, I'm Dr. Hinge. Now when you're purchasing a concealed hinge such as this one, you're going to have a few options of how far this hinge will open your door. Now let's talk about the 3 most common hinge opening degrees and which one is the right choice for you. First, we have the 95 degree. Let's say this is a top view of your cabinet, and with the door open, you're going to get a 95 degree. If the door was to close, it would be closed that way. Therefore, when the door opens, it'll stop at the 95 degree mark right here. Now, the 95 degree hinge is a very economically priced hinge. Opens just enough to access the insides of what you are keeping in your cabinet. Now let's move to the 120 degree hinge opening. This opening angle will look more like that. So, once again, this would be if the door is closed. This is your 120 degree angle. This hinge choice is perfect for getting a little more access to the inside of your cabinet. Let's say you had some pull-out little drawers in here. That's one of your drawers. There's your drawer slide. Now when you pull that imaginary drawer out, you will not have to worry about hitting your door nearly as much as you would with the 95 degree. And finally, we have the 170 degree hinge. This hinge sounds just like the rest, except it opens at 170 degrees. That means this angle right here is 170 degrees. Now this hinge is really nice if you want to get that door out of the way and have complete access to the inside of your cabinetry. Once again, if you put a drawer inside your cabinet, this will open it up so you can get right to that drawer. The only downfall with these hinges is they're a little thicker and they will take up more room here for the hinge to hold the door in place. Therefore, your drawer boxes will have to be slightly smaller. And this hinge is a little more pricey than the 120 degree hinge. So overall, if you wanted the best hinge for your application, I would almost universally say the 120 degree is the right choice. A little more expensive than a 95 degree, a little less expensive than a 170 degree, but give you all the access that you will need.